Hello, today I'll be backtesting May week 4. Last video I made was like May week or April week 2 or something. So here's like the analytics. May's been all right so far. I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna finish May in this video. Oh, whoops. May in this video. We only have 2 weeks left. I want to go more in depth whenever I'm back testing. Like I want to like write down we're at 60% win rate. I want to like write down like my exact bias like I would do when I'm journaling. I would um like I would go here for like, I don't know, 4 hour time frame. Okay, I see this, we're bullish, whatever. Let me actually make this how I want it. Like, yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. Like 12. Okay. All right, so May week 4, New York session. And go to the weekly. Okay, so it looks like we previously were distributing higher off this weekly gap. This is maybe a monthly or something we're distributing. Yeah, also monthly. So we're going up back up to all-time highs. Whoops. Maybe we technically are in all-time highs. I don't think ES. Yeah, ES kind of had a. Oh, well, it was this candle. Oh wait, no, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So nice. We're going up. As you can see, these previous weeks here, we've kind of just been going up. So I want to see more of a continuation, taking cons. We retrace lower before going higher. I mean, very simple into gap. So we actually have manipulated into this daily gap. We wigged off of it. We can see the same on ES. So I mean, 4 hour time frame, you can see we're actually in a 4 hour gap. We're actually almost like kind of inverting it. We have some momentum downwards. It seems like we actually swept out this. We had a turtle soup here. So honestly, I'm short-term bearish actually off, I mean, higher time frame. Mark this out. High time frame, overall bullish. However, I'm short-term bearish since we have, this turtle soup in this gap. We're going lower. We're displacing through this 4 hour gap, displacing through 4 hour gap. Hold on, me. Yeah, texture. There we go. Okay, whatever. So we're displacing through this gap. I want to see, we have, I mean, previous day low way down here. I don't think we're going to go there though. I'd see us more, well, like I am short-term bearish, so we have this kind of 4 hour low. Opening 30-minute right here. But like I like to structure how we're distributing, like we turtle soup, we're distributing, we're currently distributing. We don't have really session liquidity, but we have like some like lows down here. You can see these kind of slanted lows on the 30-minute. It looks all right. It's not the best DOLs, but I do see the narrative for shorts, even though we are higher time frame bullish. Okay, so I see right now we're kind of like in these 15-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute gaps. We just had this kind of this like turtle soup here, and we have an instant displacement upwards. Only problem is like we're literally about to tap the 30-minute gap. So, oh my God. Okay, So it looks like we're actually bullish. Okay. Gonna say like, if I take this, I'm literally going immediately break even. But looks like we actually don't care about this, and I'm wrong. I'm completely wrong. Price just wants to go higher. So we're actually back up to all-time highs now. Never mind. All-time highs up here. So I'm low-key looking for a con up to it. I mean, did we hit a gap or something? No. 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 Practice like IT. No, we actually edged it. So that could be our draw on liquidity, especially if we get like a 15-minute con here. Which it looks like we're actually not going to get. It looks like maybe a 5-minute. We didn't even tap a 5-minute. Kind of unfortunate. Yeah, we just run up higher. We don't really get a continuation of it, and we are at all-time highs, right? We're all-time high. We're almost there. We're almost there. 10 a.m. opened lower into that 5-minute. Obviously, it's not really like sponsored or anything, but if I see this 1-minute close, no. We are consolidating. We do get an inversion here, but that's not really. I don't really care about that. I think we're just gonna chop around and eventually hit it. Yeah. Dang, I wish I would have caught like a entry or something, like if we hit this 5-minute, or like maybe made a 15-minute. But no. What was this? Not what, 945. 945 opened higher, went lower, but then yeah, honestly, like here where we're kind of just we have a retracement, even if we don't hit like a 5-minute or whatever, obviously price doesn't have to do that. We go lower, we respect the gap, we instantly close higher. 945 high time frame candle opens. We open kind of, we didn't really manipulate anything, but we kind of edge this high right here. We go lower, again, we respect the gap, and then we just like immediate displacement. So honestly, there should be like enough confirmation, like, oh yeah, we're going to be bullish, and then you hit a 1-to-1, right? You hit a 1-to-1 like this. Or if you really wanted to, took in this, gone on like the 15-second time frame, and then like, oh yeah, you wouldn't even have gotten break even, but you would go break even at the 30-minute just because it's a high time frame PDA. And ideally, I'm just looking for the most high probability setup. So unfortunately, we didn't catch anything, but all good. I should write down what time. Yeah, shit. Okay, whatever. It's around like 8. Easier for me. Okay. All right. So again, we're going higher. We took out previous week high. And we're going a little bit lower from it. We have this kind of like, like the barely any wick, kind of like DOL. We have 2 little lows here. We're displacing through this 4-hour candle. I like the momentum. I mean, obviously yesterday that literally we got proved wrong immediately. I don't even know where it was like here or something. So hopefully today we don't get, I mean, what even, yeah, we just pumped market open. Holy, compared to the other days too. Look at that, we just went crazy. I wonder if there's news or something. But it looks like we're going lower now. We're having like a small little retracement. Got to keep in mind that we are in a 4-hour gap. But we do, where was, I swear we were like, we had like a turtle soup and whatnot. Maybe I'm tweaking. It was, oh no, it was like whenever we were here or something. Yeah. Okay, whatever. So I am short-term bearish again. We took out previous week high right here, which is also all-time highs. We've kind of been accumulating here. Then we went lower. But I'm expecting kind of like a calling it short, but I'm also open to calling it long. So maybe kind of have, and it doesn't really look that much LR. Okay, I like to see us tap into that 30-minute gap, take out these highs right here. 945 actually goes lower. Wow. Perhaps we can get like a resweep of these levels. Nope. We do edge. We are like doing crazy. Okay, 10 a.m. opens and pumps us up to that 30-minute gap. Instant inversion downwards. Let me look at ES. ES. Yeah, so we've kind of been generating lows. This low right here, this low right here, this low right here. Again, we're taking out, we took out previous week high. You know, if we look on the 4-hour, you see these big wicks on the upside, barely any wicks down here. I mean, there's these two, but it looks like this was like an indecision candle. Both of these were. But we're displacing lower. We do have this big wick, but then again, we are, okay, well, move that. Then again, what is that wick made up of? Oh, that wick is literally just straight LR. And we're hitting a high time frame gap to send us lower. Instant inversion displacement, 10 a.m. open low high close. We have stacked PL3 since 9:30. We've been generating lows. 9:45 also manipulates lower. Doesn't actually take out anything. It just adds to the LR. I like this trade. Probably go like maybe like see like the 30-minute gap. And I'm gonna just go for like 1.3. Oh my gosh. Okay. Kind of scared me there, but we took that trade. It played out nice. I wonder if we, oh wow, no. We end up going higher, so that's why you want to take low-hanging fruit. So it looks like we do reverse off that. So that's the second time that's kind of happened where we're like kind of in a high time frame area and we just completely like disrespect or like we have a bias, we have a reason to go lower, we tap into the high time frame gap, whatever. But then we just end up going higher. Like we have a reason to be bearish and we just get completely invalidated second day. So that's something I gotta look out for when we're trading in these like higher time frame PDAs, because we were like pretty much just executing while in a 4-hour. Even though I do really like but see this as LR even if it's a big wick. Yeah, we took a trade though, and we took a win. That's why you take low hanging fruit. Okay. Next day. And ES, I didn't check if ES was in a 30-minute gap, but okay, yeah, weekly looks like this candle is kind of, we're just gonna expand higher throughout this week, like we did previous weeks. We had a small retracement here, hitting this daily gap, but then we expand higher. So I'm bullish. Obviously, you can see like the just bullish structure. I gotta be writing this stuff down. For our time frame, bullish structure, and actually, hold on, I need to check. That was around like 13. I'll put like timestamps in the video, so it makes it easier if I just write it down instead of looking through the video. Okay, whatever. So yeah, bullish structure. Obviously, we're going higher. We are respecting bearish, disrespecting, or sorry, respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. Going higher, and we see that again here. We'll probably have like a gap or something here that we tap. Well, no, it was kind of this, but whatever. We go up from it. That's the main point. We're bullish trendline liquidity. We're going to trade with the trend because we want high probability setups. So we actually see we're kind of distributing from a 30-minute gap. I would like to see us have like a kind of like a retrace onto that. We have session liquidity above us, also like previous day high. Maybe not. No, yeah, we already took out. Oops. We already have previous day high. We're on these like 1-minute gaps. Yeah, I kind of do see us just going straight up from here, but since we are distributing, Oh, and we're off like a 5 minute gap too. I didn't even realize that, which isn't really that valid, but I can see why. I would like to wait for more structure though. Yeah, even then, like you can maybe get a 1-to-1, but I'd rather see us like, okay, well, we take out some of this LR. ES2, we didn't really manipulate into anything. Nope. But again, like we've seen these previous days, so kind of like, pattern recognition. Oh yeah, we have kind of just been going up. Even if we don't hit like a super valid PDA, we are in this bullish structure, or even sometimes we are in a high time frame PDA, and we just go straight up from it like we've seen here. Boom. Do we like respect CE or something? Perhaps that's what we wanted to seek for. So I really do like the reaction here, but again, there's no like true manipulation. So, and that's not something like I take, we're not manipulating into anything at market open. We take out all of our DOLs, we wick all-time highs. So this is kind of like, yeah, I mean, the only reason I see us going higher is like, oh yeah, we're all-time highs. We're just gonna pump, we're in a bull run. I mean, it seems like price wants to go higher, but it's being drawn towards a little slow before that. So perhaps we get like an AMD. We're still late into the session though, and we haven't really distributed anywhere. So I don't see us really going, yeah. Look at that on the 15-minute. Holy chop. Next day. May 23rd. Okay, high time frame. Whoa, do we have like a new day opening gap? No. No, we don't. Oh, what is this right here? Oh, it's not showing me. Refresh. Wait, did we just go to a new? I think we just did. 17. Okay, so yeah, we do have this kind of like gap right here, like new day opening gap. Not really on like the not really on like the high time frame, but we do kind of have that. And there's like a draw on liquidity. We have session liquidity as well. Kind of depends. I mean, we are pretty overextended, to be honest. So I'm not really like, oh yeah, we have to take a comp long or something like that. I could see us literally just displacing through this. Wait, I mean, this Asia session was like going crazy though. Like we just pumped Asia session 100 points. Look at these other Asia sessions. Okay, well, maybe we might not have the best price action today then. Kind of just want to see what price does. We go lower, even lower, big wick, go lower, chop, go even lower. I wonder, do we even have like, yeah, we don't even have, I mean, I get that we're going lower, but we don't have any entry to go lower. Was there even a 5 minute? There was not even a 5 minute. That dumped straight to our like the new day opening gap that we wanted to see price hit, and then it hits it. Crazy, just literally zero entry. We just dump. Wow, really? Just like that? Like no entry at all? Wow. You get yeah, you get nothing. But then now we're kind of going higher. But I do see us like we're not gonna like reverse fully. I see us. Oh, did we tap? Oh my god, I missed the setup. Oh god. Oh no. Was there like a 2 minute or something? There was. Okay, well I didn't really miss out that much. Missed out on a few points, but we're good. 1-to-1. We can kind of see that we built up some LR here. like 10 a.m. 10 a.m. left a low, go up higher, leaving lows, tap into a 15-minute. We're continuing the high time frame trend and also the trend of what New York AM has showed us. And we hit EQ as well. Kind of a late entry. Oh, oops. But I like this. Oh, looks like we're getting stopped out now. Oh my God. Now. Yeah. Okay. Well, unfortunate. We had a resweep. And then we hit take profit. Yeah, we just wanted to like put in an extra low, you know. We just wanted to resweep. Did ES not tap into a gap or something? This was literally so clean. No, yeah, ES didn't. And then we also get a stop on SMT. Honestly, I probably should have like looked at that instead of just going through price. Did we even have like a inversion? You have a 4-minute right here, and you would have gotten better RR. Oh, that's so tempting to take, honestly. Oh man, because you had the SMT as well. I feel like I have to take this. I feel like I have to take this. I have to go back. I need to go back. That's just too good. That's like A plus 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 cont. Here you didn't get that stop hunt, but then you get the massive displacement downwards. You have LR right here. It's like man, but it just proves me wrong with the stop hunt. Yeah, I'm low-key going back. Price was low-key being gay. I would 100% take that re-entry though. Like live markets, I see this trade. I'm taking this trade. You know, I'm taking this first trade 100%. And then I'm getting stopped out, and then I see this stop hunt SMT 15-minute high time frame kind of high time frame comp move. Like, yeah, no, I'm taking that. Like, we are all taking that. So you actually can't you can't be mad at me. I can't be mad at myself. And looks like we reversed after feeling that. And again, yeah, we offer fill of the gap here. I wonder if that's what we end up doing. Going lower. Yeah, go lower. Okay, so where are we now? We are again just kind of going higher. We're kind of breaking past this old range here, or technically it's like from here to here, but like we're going past it now. We respected actually CE of it and then went higher. Like to see that. Like to see that. Here is our kind of slight distribution. We had some like this wasn't like super fire distribution, but it's whatever. We're in a 4-hour gap, so I could kind of see us, and again we swept this, we swept this, we swept this. I do see us kind of just displacing through that, and we're waiting for like New York AM volatility to send us in the direction we want to go. We edge this 1-hour gap here. ES actually tapped into it. So that's kind of like a high time frame SMT. I would like to see comp though. I'd like to see us continue lower. Oh, well, we swept a low in a 5-minute. And we do inverse higher. It looks like we kind of generated some LR though, so we're going to fade that. Okay, we don't clear it. We actually generate more lows. Kind of annoying. Remember, we are in a 4 hour, so and we've kind of been accumulating in it. Okay, I think this plays out to the lows, but that's not really what. I mean, I like how we have draws lower. Only thing is that like ES did kind of distribute off that 1 hour gap, as you can see here. But honestly, it wasn't super clean distribution. We have sweeps at the highs. Same here, we're sweeping the highs. We have such like a fat distribution lower. We haven't. Oh, we didn't even close at 2 minute. Oh, that's why you look at that. Now we close it, but then we get a fat wick. Again, we're generating LR. I haven't been looking at time. ES made an equal low. So I feel like we're definitely gonna. Oh wait, no, we didn't make it equal because we already tapped into that gap. It would be here we're targeting. But again, we kind of distributed off of that. Not that it was that much, but still, that's kind of crazy. But yes, it's 11 points here. That's 52 points. Yeah. Okay. But do I take this trade? We did inverse it on the 3 minute. I kind of see us going up here. Oh, yeah. I was not too confident. And what is this? Okay, 10 a.m. just like just rips higher. So we have a stop hunt on a stop hunt on a stop hunt. We got to go to the lows now. We got to. What was I saying? This is the 30-second? Oh no, it's just bugged. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna go higher on this day. Without an entry above perhaps 945 gives us something. Oh, yep, but then again we have like LR. Look at the 15-second. Yeah, that's just like not good. Imbalance down here. I mean, odds are we kind of just chop around or just, oh no, we just distribute higher. Nice. Like this time we're in a high time frame PDA and we just disrespect it. Other times we just respect it fully. Broke past previous week range. If we look at the previous day range, then maybe we could see some sort of something. No, and then 10 a.m. also wicked EQ, right? Or like tap. Oh no, we didn't. Yeah, low key just pretty bad time. Pretty bad price. We're in premium. Yeah. It looks like today was just a bull run. It looks like this entire May month has been like a bull run. Okay, I think it's the 5th session. Um, Holy. Oh, this is a new week. So we can see our previous week range we're kind of in here. It's like Friday. 4 hour time frame. I mean, yeah, this is that massive expansion from yesterday. Obviously, we're bullish. We just inverse this entire gap. And looks like we've been chopping, waiting for 9 a.m. 9:30 a.m. I'm gonna just skip one candle forward. That doesn't really look significant at all. Not at all. Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, we just go up, market open. Do we make a 15-minute? Nope. We don't have anything higher, do we? We swept out this high. I mean, this doesn't really look like good structure, to be honest. Look at this. We just like no V-shape reaction. We kind of just shop and run like a 5-minute as well. And we don't make a 15-minute gap. Yeah, this day looks terrible. Like I don't see us literally doing anything. We tap into a 5-minute like right here. There we actually get a good reaction. Oh well, what is this? Okay, but then does that? Oh, that actually looks like it plays. Why does my NQ look like this? Market close. This looks good. Honestly, you have some LR built up, and this is kind of like 10 a.m. almost. We manipulate up there. If we get filled, that would be nice. It looks like I'm going break even. Do we have like a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, anything? Nope. I kind of want to go break even once we break past these highs, but like the odds that we do that, you know? Sun. I like how we generate LR. Like how, what was this? 10, 15 didn't really do much. I'm gonna just go break even. And I'm gonna just watch from the 15-second. Yeah. Glad I got break even on there and not didn't like take a loss or anything. Ooh, would have taken a loss. Yeah, I mean mid price action. No PDA above to short from nothing unless like maybe use some like rejection block. Yeah, terrible. Still in May. 6:33. Bullish structure, this significant high. 4-hour gap down here. Recently inverse this 1-hour gap. Like genuinely, this is like terrible price action. What day are we on? We're on Tuesday. Where did we open? Well, we manipulate into a 1-hour gap and we get kind of like a Judas off that. You can see this big displacement. We have some lows built up here. 9, oh no, we kind of swept that, but I like how we take out all this like stacked highs as well. So like now we have less of a reason to go higher. We might be drawing towards this gap. I think I did remove like the CE of like previous week, which is there and down here. We also offer, you know, CE going down into their EQ, sorry. And Asia session, this London, this Asia. Previous day low. We also saw that previous day high, another thing. I mean, look at this. Just look at this. We're bearish. Unless I'm just completely wrong, we're bearish. We are bearish. We are bearish. Okay, that 4-hour low is way, way down there, but I'm gonna just take this 1-to-1 because we all take 1-to-1s. Yeah, I kind of have a feeling this just dumps. Oh my god. Holy. Well, we definitely take out those draws now. Hey, maybe Kant? Do we get a Kant? We have 5-minute here. We're kind of in a 5-minute as well. We're kind of accumulating. Wait, we might get a nice little Kant. 10 a.m. Holy 10 a.m. open. Oh, no, 10 a.m. open lower. Never mind, but we put in a low. We tap into a new 15. We wick CE perfectly. Oh, 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 come on. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, we get a 15-second. Nice. But I want to wait for 1-minute CISD. Ooh. Ooh. 1-minute CISD. Oh, that's just too good. That's just too good. We're taking a 1-to-1 here as well. That's just, wait, hold on, let me look at ES. I just realized I have not been looking at ES for the longest. ES does not tap into a 30-minute, 15-minute. We're actually quite far from one though. we did kind of manipulate into a 5-minute, but now we're displacing lower as well. We do not have sell side built up really. I mean, we have a low here. We also edged our previous DOL, so I do see us. I mean, I don't see a reason why we kind of just reverse from here. Unless I'm wrong. No way. Oh, wait, we put in a stop hunt? Wait. Unless we just chop. And that's why you take one trade a day. Unless it looks so good. Oh, wow, we really just full reverse. Yeah, no, it's definitely price action. What did we tap into? We tapped into something. We have an hourly. Yeah, we have an hourly. We have an hourly right here. And then we edge the 4-hour. That's insane. So we're break even. That definitely plays though. That's unfortunate. 16 right. Okay. What are we at now? We're like at the last days of May. Yeah, look at that. I mean, obviously. Yeah. Wow. I just did not expect us to fully reverse the rest of the session. That's insane, especially with built up LR at your stop. Like in no world do I see longs from there. Literally no world. Just looked guaranteed. We're displacing through this 4-hour gap. Wow, we didn't take the high here. But we're now in this kind of like retracement leg. We are in discount. That's something to keep in mind. Let's just open instantly into the 30-minute gap. We did sweep a high here in a 1-hour that kind of brought us lower, so I am very bearish. Okay, we kind of remanipulated and I kind of missed my entry. Actually, I'm not gonna go back. DOLs. I mean, we're kind of in this 4-hour, which is kind of bad. We have that like you know, like the devil's mark, no wick. That's also kind of a gap, so I do like that. I'm kind of mad I missed it, but it's all good. It's all good. Missed it just slightly, and then it reverses because I'm the GOAT. Yep, that's how you predict the market right there. You just go against, like here, if I would have longed. But no, if I would have longed here, it would have actually went down. So I'm wrong. So it looks like we are taking a continuation off a 4-hour gap that we didn't tap. Nice. Or perhaps we just want to run into these 4 hours. No, we did not. Well, now we have a 4-hour at your stop loss if you're taking shorts. So, yep, did not expect anything. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So we're low-key red on May now. And so many days that we just didn't trade. What day is it now? May 30th. I think there's 31 days in May. Okay, so from yesterday, what did we end up doing? Was I correct? Did we go lower? Where was yesterday? Yesterday is Wednesday, so at 10 a.m. Yeah, I mean, we went up higher and then went lower. It's just not happening during the session. It's like maybe Asia or no. Where is London? Like, look at London. Crazy. Thursday, when was Monday open here? Kind of just been not really doing much. Put in highs. Kind of just chop. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, 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 okay. We're gonna wait for a minute now. Oh, we actually inverse the 4-minute. Nice, we have stop hunt in a higher time frame gap. We are here. Whoops. Here we actually even go even lower into there. Only problem, this looks like as if we're almost like wicking C. We are wicking rigid, we're wicking C on this range here. Yeah, and this is probably previous day range. No, it's not, it's 4-hour. So I don't like how we're just wicking that. We have some like generated liquidity here, almost like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We have been like kind of respecting these gaps we made here, but I don't really like this inverse. I don't like how we kind of like have lack of delivery, but and we're still in this like 3-minute gap. I like the structure. ES is also not in a spot of distribution actually. We took out this low right here, manipulated it into a 30-minute gap. So that's the manipulation we have in ES. We have some, again, kind of accumulation here. And we had that kind of, what was this that manipulated? 10 a.m.? No, 10 a.m. like, I don't even know. We kind of just randomly went down here. 10:15 didn't really manipulate. We kind of just going with that distribution. But honestly, does this kind of look like LR? kind of. I stop here. Target right here. And I'm just gonna go with this. Oh, oops. Yeah. Yep. Like I said, we are distributing from CE. Look at that big wick. And I don't expect us to actually even go higher, to be honest. And then no entry lower as well. So you either lose or don't take a trade. How long? We've been 45 minutes. Well, one more day in May. New York session. Oh, okay. So what do we end up doing? We end up going lower Thursday. All right, yeah. Thursday here was price action. Did we tap into like a 4 hour on Thursday? Well, I know we tapped into a 4 hour. Yeah, honestly, what am I even doing? Yesterday should have been shorts, but then we don't get an entry. Like yesterday, I shouldn't even have longed. Whatever. Yep, so now we're down here. Okay, nice inversion. Some like LR above. Only problem is that we're in a 4 hour, like we're waking out of a 4 hour right here. Like this just looks really low probability. Yeah. Like I don't expect this. I mean, do we have like a 15-minute or something? Nope. Maybe a 5-minute. All right, well, I think I'm gonna start taking 5 minutes as like high time frame PDAs because they've been hitting this entire month, as we can see. That is May 31st. That means next is May, June. We are in June now. Win rate, we went down 2%, unfortunately. Whew, that is, not good. I wanna bring this higher. This month of May has been low-key trash though. Like if we look at this, like first 3 weeks, all right, first 4 weeks actually. Last week, bro, what are we what okay. But yeah, that is it. I'm locking in on June though. Loki can't complain. Did we trade June? Oh no, that's May.